Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids and also a super thrifty mom. My channel's all about motherhood, homeschooling, and thrifty stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and go ahead and give this video a like if you don't mind. I have a very cool package that I'm gonna be sharing today that is for all families. I'm so excited about this. A company called Artza sends out these quarterly boxes to families, and the box here says the crafts, beauty, and spirit of Israel. This is a heavy box. So I'm gonna open it in front of you guys and show you what's inside. I'll link the video I did last time of the box I got from them, but it was so cool. My favorite part is you're getting things from this country that you're probably never gonna visit. I mean, you never know. Some people may be blessed enough to be able to go, but I don't see us being able to go visit Israel anytime in the near future. But it's neat to be able to experience some of that land and the culture and food and things like that right in the comfort of your own home. It's very neat. So I am super excited that they sent me another box, and we are going to check it out and see what we got. So if you want to see what's inside this box, then stay tuned. Here is the top. I actually showed you the bottom before. So it says, Artza, the Holy Land delivered, celebrating the renewal and resilience. It's super cool packaging. I talked about this in my the last video that I did with Artza, just that it's been a dream of mine to visit the Holy Land. Like, how cool would that be to be able to visit the place where Jesus walked and lived and did miracles and all that stuff. But it's neat to be able to experience it, even though I can't physically go there right now. So let's check out what's in the box. So they have a lot of things in here that have to do with people from Israel. Last time I remember they had cards in here that described like a person that has a business in the area. And I love that it's promoting small businesses and things like that. Okay, here is a card that says resilience and renewal. That's really pretty. Here's a little letter from them to the Artza family, which is us. Our carefully curated theme, resilience and renewal, was chosen for its deeply significant representation of the unbreakable spirit of the Israeli people standing firm in the face of adversity, along with their friends like yourselves around the globe. Picture of that. So pretty. Red poppies blanket the landscape in a carpet of vibrant color, creating a spectacle known as Dram Ha-Adam, the Red South. Hundreds of thousands of visitors journey to these fields, spending a day surrounded by God's beautiful nature, enjoying picnics amongst the splendor of the blossoms. Each product within the season's box was lovingly and carefully crafted by local artisans and charities from communities directly affected by recent events. From the southern border to the northern communities along the Lebanon border, their creations are infused with love and purpose. With every purchase, you directly extend a hand of support, offering hope to your brothers and sisters in Israel. And that has a Bible verse. Psalm 121 assures us, I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Let us lift our eyes to the source of our strength and find renewed hope and resilience in his steadfast love. So let's get into the box. Let's see what we got here. There's a little package here that has, so these are the things that have to do with what's in the box. Yeah, this is such a cool part. They've got the owners of each business that provided something to the box here and their story behind it. And I just think that's super cool. It just makes it real. So there's 4 things there, which I will try to, there's also a recipe card. So they always have some sort of food recipe thing. Oh, and we got that last time. I think it was the Moses blend coffee, which my family absolutely loves. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is cool. That is cute. Look at that. Okay, see that? And they've got Israel. One of the things they had last time, hold on, my teacher pen's in it, but this is something we got last time that has the cutout of Israel there. So there's a nice little bag, little wristlet that says Artza, and it's got a cute little zipper on the inside. That's really nice. This is something that they give to the premium subscribers. It says here, embossed leather Israel case. This exquisite leather case features an embossed map of Israel, allowing you to carry a small piece of the Holy Land with you wherever you journey. Whether you're storing precious items or everyday essentials, this case serves as a constant reminder of the rich history and sacred landscapes of the land of the Bible. Very cool. That's neat. So that's for premium members. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's neat. So it's neat that they told us the story of the poppies, and that's something that is always something people want to see when they visit there. And here is a little metal little stand of poppies, and it says, "The earth is full of his beauty." That's really cool. So let's see. So this, let's see what the card says. So this is hand painted. That's really neat. So this says it talks about the person who made it, how to enjoy, proudly displayed around your house. So it's got this whole little thing. I'm not going to read you guys every single card, but it does have a piece of, it's got a story about the creator of that little piece and kind of just the reason why they put it in here. And then it's got the person that goes with it. So that's really neat. Ooh, this is cool. Granola, oatmeal with halva and dates. Halva, is that how you say that? That's really neat. I mean, even this, like we're talking homeschool families. This obviously could be for any family. If your kids go to school, they would love this too. But it's neat that, you know, oops, can you see that it's got the Israeli writing and then it's got English too. So that's pretty cool that not like we get to see this in everyday life, but that looks really neat. That's cool. So this is a unique Israeli twist on a classic dish. This granola is handmade in a border town near the Gaza Strip, infusing your breakfast routine with the flavors of the Holy Land. That's cool. That's really neat. It's got, see if there's anything. See, I don't know what halva is. Halva sesame. It's got dates and halva sesame. And a few other things. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, black seeds. Very cool. Okay. Ooh, this is neat too. Gourmet popcorn. That looks delicious. Caramel Dream gourmet popcorn. And here is the business owner, the artisan, right here. And it says Heavenly Gourmet Caramel Popcorn. Enjoy it as a sweet, delicious treat. And it's got the whole story of him and his business. Just super cool to like really read this stuff and learn and make it like a whole experience with your family. I love that. Not just eat the popcorn. So we have anti-aging wild rose facial wash. That's really neat. Wild rose anti-aging cleanser. I could use some of that. So this has, here's the artisan here, Esther. And I just love that it has a whole story behind it. So my kids and I will sit together and read all these cards together before we try this out. I bet it's pretty packaging. Let's see. Ooh, it's got a little pump. That's neat. Arugat. I'm not sure how to say that. With a little pump. That's pretty cool. I mean, you're getting like full, these aren't just tiny little samples. Full size products, which is really cool. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. Hey, made in Israel, Orchid Dew, Golland's Sweet Embrace. That's neat. Okay, I just saw who this is. Where did it say? This is, so there's not I don't think there's a card for each person, but most of them have it. This is an Orchid Dew scent diffuser, inspired by the enchanting blue orchids of the Golan Heights. This diffuser fills your space with delicate fragrance, bringing the essence of Israel into your home. So let's see what this looks like. You've got your little diffuser rods here. I've actually never used this kind of diffuser before. I've always been curious. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that smells really good. So there's your bottle there. Can you guys see it? And then it gives you 4 of these diffuser rods that you put inside. And it smells beautiful. It smells really, really good. That's fun. I love, it's not all the same thing. None of the stuff is repeats of what we got last time. So that's super cool. Let's see what else. We got 2 more things in here. There's a lot in this box. Okay, the next one. Okay, Dove of Peace. Let's open it. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh, that's neat. So it's a little ceramic dove that says ability, diversity, and inclusion. And this is a handcrafted Oh, this is neat. The Ability Boutique was created by our ADI residents, children, adolescents, and adults with severe disabilities during their rehabilitative vocational workshops. I love this. This has a very special place in my heart because I have my brother-in-law, my husband's younger brother, has Down syndrome, and we live in an area where they do provide opportunity for him to work because he's 34 and he could just be stuck at home not being able to do anything, but he is able to work a job, earn a paycheck, and feel like he's actually like learning things and part of the community. And I love that. I think that is so important and just such an empowering thing for them. And that's so cool that they have, this says, the proceeds for every sale help us provide long-term opportunities for creative exploration, life skill development, and personal growth. By purchasing this item, you have helped us celebrate the persistence, passion, and creativity of our ADI family members and promote the belief that every individual has the right of self-fulfillment and the ability to achieve that goal. That's awesome. I think that is super, super cool. That says it's engraved with the Hebrew word shalom. This dove symbolizes peace and hope, serving as a timeless reminder of the enduring spirit of Israel. So that says shalom right there. That's super cool. That's neat. I love that. And then the last thing, ooh, what is this? That is super cool. So this is like a liquid. Let's check it out. Let me see what this says. And this is probably where the recipe card comes from. I love cooking things from other countries and cultures. I think that is so cool. So this is called stone crushed tahini, a staple ingredient in Israeli cuisine from millennia. This rich and creamy tahini adds depth and flavor to your dishes, connecting you to the culinary traditions of the Holy Land. How cool is that? And last time we got a set of 5 or 6 little salts, and there were different salts from the Holy Land. So cool. So, ooh, this is golden tahini cauliflower. That actually looks delicious. That's so cool. Cauliflower, olive oil, tahini, a 1/4 cup of tahini, plain Greek yogurt, chopped parsley, toasted sesame seeds, salt, black pepper, and pomegranate seeds. Oh, that's so fun. And it has the whole recipe on the back and everything you need. That's so fun. Like you really get a taste of Israel. Super cool. I love it. That's everything in our box. I'm super grateful that Artza has sent us this box for our family to experience this. I think it would be really neat for you to be able to support this company and all the artisans that offer their goods to this company, because I really feel like they have an amazing heart behind it. So I hope that you guys will consider that. I'll put a link below in the description box. Do 4 boxes a year so you can grab your quarterly box. And it's just such a fun thing to get in the mail, to learn with your family. I think it's super cool. So check out the description box below to get your box today. And I will have a special discount code for you guys. So make sure you check that out. So thanks so much for being here. If you didn't already like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Anti-aging wild rose facial. Try this again. Anti-aging wild rose facial. Oh my word. Anti-aging wild rose facial wash. Oh my word. Try this again. Okay. We have anti-aging wild rose facial wash.